In partnership, Superheat and Miller Electric are transforming the industry with the Superheat SmartLink, a new induction heat treatment solution that elevates the Miller ProHeat 35, taking it to the next level. Superheat, the leader in on-site heat treatment, has combined decades of experience and data intelligence to make the ProHeat 35 unit more convenient, digitally integrated, and fully supported in the field. At the core of the solution is SmartLink, a large touchscreen plug-and-play controller that functions as your programmer, recorder, and onboard knowledge hub. Designed to simplify induction heat treatment, SmartLink allows operators to effortlessly program preheats, bakeouts, and post-weld heat treatments with the flexibility to fine-tune heat parameters and kilowatt output in real time. SmartLink also streamlines quality and compliance by automatically capturing and digitally archiving heat cycle data. Engineering setup drawings, operator manuals, and step-by-step tutorial videos are readily available directly on the console, ensuring critical support is always accessible in the field. When further assistance is needed, SmartLink provides a direct connection to Superheat SmartCenter for expert guidance, whether online or on-site. For complete project visibility, SmartLink connects to the Superheat SmartView project management and quality assurance app, delivering real-time heat cycle monitoring, automated alerts, and comprehensive reporting. This level of transparency transforms operational data into clear, actionable insights, keeping teams informed, aligned, and in control throughout the entire heat treatment process. It's the trusted power of Miller ProHeat 35 units, now with a simple, familiar digital interface, backed by Superheat's unmatched field support. Better, safer, faster. Superheat, advancing heat treatment for the digital marketplace. Contact us today to rent, lease, or buy the only digitized induction heat treatment solution with SmartLink.